Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so in the last video, I had shown you guys the mermaid tail with the moon rocks, and I did have to put a second coat of resin on it. I did that. I peeled the tape off the back, and now I'm going to show you the finished results. So here it is, and the second coat turned out perfectly, and it is done. And it is beautiful. And here's the back, super duper clean. Okay, so you peel the tape off the back. I'm going to stamp it, sign it, and date it, and it is ready. It would be ready and available for purchase for anyone who is interested. But yeah, so there you go. There is the mermaid's tail. Now, I did show you in the last video the dried results of the periwinkle piece. But one thing I haven't showed you yet, because I just kind of fell behind with everything and then just lots of stuff happening, I want to show you guys the dried results and finished product of the big 30-inch, I think it was, clock that I made for my clients, Mark and Sandy, who have been ridiculously patient with me in terms of getting this done. So I want to show it to you now. Here it is, resined, finished. And now I haven't tightened up, I'm gonna put that there because that's heavy. I haven't tightened up the clock hands yet, so they are loose. I don't want to tighten them up because I'm not gonna ship them with the clock hands on the clock. And the clock hands still have the plastic protective on them as well. I also did not peel that off. But there is the clock. I apologize for the glare. There's my ring light, but yay, it's done. And now I just need to pack it up and ship it out. So I did take a quick video of it out in the sunlight, and I will show that to you after this intro. That way you get to see it out in the sunlight, shimmering and being all beautiful. So that is the clock. Let me put this back or away so I don't ruin it. All right, so wood rounds. I'm gonna keep the pre-orders open. It is June 1st as I'm recording this, and for 2 more weeks. And then once the 2 weeks are up, that is it. I will not be getting any more. As I mentioned, it comes in various sizes. You've got the 4-inch round for coasters, 4-inch squares, good for coasters. And then I have 8, 10, and just shy of 12-inch rounds. So the rounds are great for, like the 12-inch rounds are great for making clocks, which I actually might do in an upcoming video. I might do a clock for you guys using one of these wood rounds. So if you are interested in ordering any of these, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Another thing I want to mention, I had a few people actually in the last little week or so email me about my calendars. So you all know I have calendars. Actually, this should say June because it's now June. So we'll move that to June. But I am going to be doing 2023 calendars. So if you are interested in a calendar, I will do pre-orders for that as well. I will order extras. But yeah, if you are interested in a calendar for 2023, you get 12 months, obviously, of different prints from different pieces of mine. And then when the calendar is done, you could take this and hang it up and use it as a print on your wall, frame it, do whatever you want with it. So calendars are going to be available for 2023. Fluid Art Workshop, Naples, Florida. If you are interested in attending, there's a spot. You all know the deal. So you can email Tammy Anderson and I at fluidartescape@gmail.com. So yeah, I'm going to be working today on another periwinkle, but this time I'm going to do the gold. There were so many comments from you guys wanting to see the same thing, but with gold. So I am going to be working on that today, and I'm going to see the difference between silver and gold. So I'm going to get myself set up and we're going to get started. Be right back. All right, everybody. So I've got my 12 by 36 inch canvas here. And actually, I only have one left. So after that, either the color splits are going to be happening on a different size canvas, or I'm not doing any more color splits because I got one left after this one. And I still have to do a commission on a teal one again, because someone wanted a teal color split. So I still got to do that. All right, so the color base, again, is going to be the light blue violet by Liquitex Basics and my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, okay? So that is going to be my split base. And the colors I'm using are the same as the last periwinkle video with the exception of swapping the silver for the gold. So we're going to be using Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza, then 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Then I have Greenish Blue by Amsterdam, and then Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo, and then topping it off, Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. So those are the colors, as I must keep in mind not to overdo it with the gold, because I don't want the gold to take over. And these are the colors for today's video. So as I said, same colors as before with the exception of swapping out the silver with the gold. All right, so I shall put these back. I am going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, everybody, canvas is flooded. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start with the Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza. And don't forget, for those of you who didn't see or are new watching, the Arteza website, last I checked, still has their paints back in stock for these pearl colors. So if you want to get your hands on them before they sell out again, you can do so on their website. And of course, you can save 10% off using my discount code, which you can find in the description below. But yeah, they tend to sell out pretty quick. So, hopefully they got a huge stock and they don't sell out, but yeah, get them while you can, because I love these pearl colors from Arteza. They are so amazing. I love a lot of colors, but I really enjoy using the Arteza brand too. All right, last color. Okay, it's a gloomy day here today. Super, super hot, but very, very gloomy. We're about to get a thunderstorm. Super severe thunderstorm is what's brewing right now. All right, colors are down. Let me pop the bubbles. In some upcoming videos, I'm going to be doing some resin work. I have been waiting this whole time to get some resin from Crystal Resin, the casting resin. It's been like on a shipping container for the last 2 months, and you know, the owner finally got it, you know, shipped to Toronto, and I'm finally going to get my hands on some casting resin because I ran out a long time ago, and I'll finally be able to do some more videos coming up using the washi tape and stuff like that. So I haven't been able to do them because I don't have the casting resin, but now that that's going to be back in stock soon, I'll be able to do that. So, all right, let's get going. Hopefully I have enough paint down here. Let's go. right, as I blew that out, I saw a chunk of paint. I saw a chunk and I want to get it out before, oh my gosh, that is a big chunk. I'm going to need my tweezers. When I was pouring out my white, flooding the canvas, I saw it and then I couldn't find it to take it out. But that is a big chunk. And I don't typically get chunks in my paintings. But yeah, this is a big chunk. Oh my goodness. Good thing I noticed that. I noticed that the second I blew it out and I saw it, I was blowing and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's a big chunk of paint there. All right, let's see. Oh, there's going to be lots of shimmer in here with the gold. See, sometimes I don't want to overdo it with the gold, and then sometimes I don't put enough gold because I'm worried it's going to just take over. But there's definitely shimmer in here. I love this. I love this. I am going to fix it a bit, but I do love this. And there is an overlay of shimmer on this too. So let me just fix this part here. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so rich in color. I seriously have issues with dipping my microphone into the paint. I seem to do that a lot lately. I don't know, when am I ever going to learn? Good thing it's a quick fix. All right. I always seem to dip my microphone in there. It's so pretty. Now, I can't tell which one I like more. I think I like the gold more than the silver. I just think there's more color to it. I don't know. I can't explain it, but there's definitely going to be some beautiful shimmer in this. So I am going to fix my edges. And yeah, because there's nothing else I want to touch on this. So I'm going to fix my edges and I'll be right back to show you guys a close-up. All right, everybody. So before I show you guys the shimmery close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. All right, do it all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and then a third time. All right, so here it is, and let's check it out up close. Now, it's not gonna probably show too much, but once I turn off the lights, you will definitely, you can already see it, the gold shimmer in here. Now, I kind of like the gold piece better, only because I like the shimmer that the gold adds. However, I'll wait for it to dry. I'll put them side by side and you guys will get to see the side by side comparison of them both. So let me turn the lights off and we'll check out the shimmer. All right, so I've got the flash on. And so this is the difference between gold and silver is, and you know what, I kind of, in hindsight, I kind of wish I had put a little bit more gold. After what happened with the dark blue base split, that one, and where I just added way too much gold and the gold took over, I kind of now wish I added just a little bit more gold to this, but it's still has lots of overlay shimmer, some in more spots than others. So for here, in here, for example, this is one of my favorite spots because it definitely has a lot of the gold shimmer in here. This side of the canvas got a lot more gold than the other side, but I really like the gold more. I just think it adds that little extra oomph to it. You know what I mean? I love that. Look at that. It's so colorful. All right, let's turn the lights back on. So there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. So do you like the gold or do you like the silver? If you don't remember what the silver looks like, go back 2 videos and check out the silver and then tell me what you guys think. So this piece is available for purchase, the gold piece. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. There's the silver piece along with the peach piece and the dark blue piece because I'm getting ready to resin them. But yeah, so the silver piece has sold, but this gold one is available for anyone who is interested. Don't forget, wood rounds, you can pre-order. Calendars, you can pre-order. I still have spots left in my resin workshop here in my home in London, Ontario. If you are interested to learn how to use some resin with some pigments and stuff like that, you can email me for details. So that is it for now, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.